Am I the only one that didn't know you could earn six figures from home with e-commerce? So you want to make six figures from home? Start with choosing e-commerce as your niche. First step, market research. Find out what people want. Look for trending products. Check out Google Trends, social media hashtags, and even Amazon's bestsellers list. See what's hot, what's not, and what's next. Next, know your competition. See what they're doing right and where they're missing the mark. Can you do it better? If yes, you're on the right track. Then understand your audience. Who are they? What do they need? Create a buyer persona. Picture your ideal customer. What are their problems? How can your product solve them? Remember, market research is your foundation. Get it right, and you'll be unstoppable. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, do your homework, and start building your e-commerce empire today. Your six-figure journey starts now.
Folks,